There's all kinds of ways to monitor for different bugs and insects. So first of all, I'm going to talk just a tiny bit about bed bugs. So it's the Cincy volcano. Looks like this. It's black, has a thing. You're going to put the attractant in there, and it will come in a little separate pouch. You need to use gloved hands, and you go into the pouch, and this one's already put together, so I'm just going to pop it right into there. You're going to put this next to your bed, crib, couch. It's going to be on the floor, any place like that. This lasts up to a year, and this helps you monitor whether you have bed bugs. And you just go and you look. If you see the bed bug, you're going to knock them out, not into your hand, but into a bag, and you're going to tie that bag up, and then you're going to get it out into the garbage. And then now that you know you have bed bugs, you can come see us and get the products that you need to take care of the bugs that you have. We have another way that's called Bug Outlaw. And I'm not going to take it out of the box because it's in a plastic bag that's all sealed. But it looks like this, and you have, this is where the bugs go into and get trapped. This twists off, and you just monitor that, and this lasts until you have it full of bugs, and you can then get rid of it. This is an inexpensive way to monitor for little cockroaches or any type of bugs. You can simply put this underneath your refrigerator, your stove. You could cut this in half and put it in your cabinet. You can fold this up and make it like a box and stick it under the kick plate of your cabinet. Move the plastic out of your way. It's usually easier to do that once you've taken the plastic off to protect it. Stick it up underneath like that, under a cabinet, and you'll get your roaches and other insects. And that way you can monitor what insects you may or may not have in your kitchen. Another monitor for ants and cockroaches in your kitchen are these Easy Conceals. That has a sticky on the back where you can attach it to your kick plate. You can attach it into your cabinet like this, you know, on the wall, side of the wall. The bugs will crawl across. Takes this off easily, and you can replace this pad. You'll take this off and they'll get stuck, and then you can easily replace. For other monitoring, we have the beetle domes, the dome for the beetles that get in your stored products in your pantry. We have monitors and traps for fruit flies and fungus gnats. Also have monitors or traps for pantry moths and the moths that get in your closet. So you just simply put the cap that's in here, that's the attractant, stick it in the middle of the glue, and hang this up, or even simply put it on your cabinet, on your shelf, just like this, and they will fly in and they will get stuck. Well, that's what you need to know about monitoring. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Have a great fall. Thank you.